Hi students, welcome to maths class. Today look at these problems. Yesterday I told you how to solve a linear equation in one variable. Let us look at these problems. In every problem there is one variable, the same variable. So in the first problem x is the variable, second x, third x, fourth a, fifth x. So solving means we have to find the values of x in every problem, okay, except fourth. So first I'll take the given equation is given equation is 3x minus 2 by 3 plus 2x plus 3 by 2 equal to x plus 7 by 6. Simple method I'll tell you. First, you take the LCM of denominators. The LCM of, what are the denominators here? 3, 2, 6 is. What is the LCM of 3, 2, 6? Yes, 6. You know it already. So we have to multiply. Multiplying both sides of, let it be equation 1 by that LCM. What should you do? First take the LCM of denominators and multiply every term of the given equation by that LCM, 6. So what will you get now? 3x minus 2 by 3 into 6 plus 2x plus 3 by 2 into 6 equal to x into 6 plus 7 by 6 into 6. Got it? Clear? So 6 gets cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are. So what is remaining now? 2 into 3x minus 2 plus 3 into 2x plus 3 equal to 6 into x, 6x plus 7. Got it? Now you can multiply this. 2 3s are 6x, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6x, 3 3s are 9. Okay? Now 6x plus 6x, 12x, 9 minus 4, 5 equal to 6x plus 7. 12x, now transpose plus 6x this side, minus 6x, 7 plus 5 will be minus 5. So 12x minus 6x is 6x and 7 minus 5 is 2. So x equal to 2 upon 6. 2 1s are, 2 3s are. So x value how much? 1 by 3. Therefore the value of x is 1 by 3. So this x value will satisfy the given equation. That is the solution for first one. Okay. Look at the second question. Same model. So what is the given equation? What is the given equation here? What is the given equation? 2x by 3 minus 3x by 8 equal to 7 by 12. So what are the denominators here? 3, 8, 12. So take the LCM of 3, 8, 12 aside. Okay, 3 I am taking 3 1s, 8 as it is, 3 4s. So I will take 2 here, 2 4s, 2 2s. 2 I am taking 2 2s, 2 1s. So 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. LCM of denominators. is 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So we got the LCM here. What is the LCM? 24. So what should you do? As I told you, after getting the LCM, multiply the first equation by that LCM. Multiplying both sides of equation 1 by 24 by that LCM. Okay? By that LCM. So 2x by 3 into 24, 3x by 8 into 24, 7 by 12 into 24. So each and every term should be multiplied by 24. 3 8s are 24, 8 3s are 24, 12 2s are 24. So what is remaining here? 8 2s are 16, 3 3s are 9, 7 2s are 14. So 6x minus 9x, how much? 7x equal to 14. So I want to transpose plus 7 that side. So 14, this is in the multiplication 7. So if you send that side by 7, 7 2s. So therefore x value 2. So what is the answer? X value 2. So third question. Same procedure we will follow. Third question also. What is the third question? 2x by 3 minus x minus 1 upon 6 plus 7x minus 1 upon 4 equal to 2 1 by 6. Okay. So what is the LCM of denominators? So first you change this. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 1 13 upon 6. The LCM of, what are the denominators here? 3, 6, 4, 6 is, let us see, 3, 6, 4, 6. 3 1s, 3 1s, 3 2s, 3 2s. 2 1s, 2 2s, 2 1s. 3 2s, 6, 6 2s, 12. What is the LCM? 12. So this is the equation 1. So you have to multiplying both sides of equation 1 by that 12. So we get 2x by 3 into 12, x minus 1 upon 6 into 12, 7x minus 1 upon 4 into 12 equal to 13 by 6 into 12. Okay, now cancel it. 3 1s are, 3 4s are, 6 1s are, 6 2s are, 4 1s are, 4 3s are, 6 1s are, 6 2s are. So what is remaining here? 4 2s are 8x, 2 into x minus 1 plus 3 into 7x minus 1 equal to 13 2s are 26. So multiply 8x minus 2x minus into minus plus 2, 3 7s are 21 minus 3 1s are 3. 6x plus 21x, 27x minus 1 equal to 26. So 27x equal to 26 minus 1 will be plus 1. So 27x equal to 27. So x equal to 27 upon 27. Because it is in the multiplication, if you send that side it will becomes division. So 27 ones are 27. Therefore value of x is 1. So this x equal to 1 will satisfy the given equation. That is why we say that x equal to 1 is the solution of given equation. Solution or root. Okay. Solution or root of the given equation. Clear? See, the fourth question. Same order. So you have to practice number of times to get. We had this type of problems in 7th class already. So a plus 5 upon 6 minus a plus 1 upon 9 equal to a plus 3 upon 4. The LCM of 6 comma 9 comma 4 is, let us see, 6 9 4, 3 2s are 3 3s are 4, 2 1s 2 2s, so 3 2 6, 6 2s 12, 12 3s 36. Okay, that is 36. Okay, so we have to multiply given equation by equation 1. So multiplying equation 1 by 36. Okay, whole equation you have to multiply. So a plus 5 upon 6 into 36, a plus 1 upon 9 into 36, a plus 3 upon 4 into 36. 6 6 are 9 4s are 4 9s are. So 6 into a plus 5 minus 4 into a plus 1, 9 into a plus 3. 6a plus 30, 4a 4, 9 3s are 27. 6a minus 4a, 2a plus 26. So 2a plus 9a bring this side, minus 9a, 27 plus 26 shift that side, minus 26. So this will be minus 7a equal to 1. Then a equal to minus 1 upon 7. So therefore a value how much here? Minus 1 by 7. This a equal to minus, why did I find a value here? Because the given equation is in terms of a. So linear equation in terms of a. That's why we got the value of a here. This is called the root or solution of the given equation. Last one we will see. What is the given equation here? 2x plus 1 by 10 minus 3 minus 2x by 15 equal to x minus 2 upon 6. Equation 1. What is the LCM? The LCM of 10 comma 15 comma 6 is 10 15 6, 2 5s 2 3s, 3 5s 15, 3 1s, 5 1s 5 1s. So 3 2s are 6, 6 5s are 30. So multiplying both sides of equation 1 by 30 we get. So what will you get? 2x plus 1 upon 10 into 30 minus 3 minus 2x upon 50 into 30 equal to x minus 2 upon 6 into 30. 6 1s 6 5s, 15 1s 15 2s, 10 1s 10 3s. So that implies 3 into 2x plus 1, 2 into 3 minus 2x, 5 into x minus 2. So 6x plus 3, 6 plus 2 2s are 4x equal to 5x minus 5 2s are 10. 6x plus 4x, 10x, minus 6 plus 3, minus 3. So 10x minus 5x minus 10 minus 3 becomes plus 3. So 10x minus 5x, 5x equal to minus 7. So x equal to minus 7 by 5. Therefore x value minus 7 by 5. So x equal to minus 7 by 5 is the solution or root of the given equation. So this is the method of simplifying the linear equations in one variable. Okay. Let us see some more problems in the next class. Thank you.